fix this problem, what you have to do is to tap on the app for some while. As you can see over here, this has pop up. So after using your finger to tap on it for some while, when this pop up, tap on the app info, and after tapping on the app info, what you have to do is to tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is to go on over here. So when it's off like this, just tap on it to turn it on like this. Now go back and tap on permissions. So when you tap on the permissions, make sure every permission over here is allowed, which is very important. Now tap on the storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back, then tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, or mobile data and restriction on other device. So as you can see over here, we have background data over here. Make sure the background data is toggled on. So when it's like this, just tap on it to toggle it on. Then after that, you go back, then you tap on the full stop, then you tap on OK. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. When you find your Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, when you get to your Google Play Store, what you have to do is to search for the name of this app, which is the Bradesco. After searching, you are going to see this over here like this. Just tap on it to open it. After that, tap on the update over here. When you can find, or when you can see open, don't just tap on it, don't tap on it. But when you can find updates, just tap on it. After tapping on it, what you have to do is to tap on your power button to restart your device. So just tap on it for some while, and when this pop up, tap on the restart button, or tap on reboot button and tap on OK, or try to wipe it to get it off. So when it gets off, it's going to restart automatically. So it's going to turn off, then it turn on automatically. Do you get me? When you can't find this, what you have to do is to just turn your phone off, then you turn it on back again, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other platform. See you in my next video. If you have any questions, just let me know in my comment section.